Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put new door locks in your C10. Well, this is a C30, but pretty much the same thing. It will be exactly the same way on your door as it will be on mine. The first thing you want to do is open your door. When you get your door open, you will want to remove this. This just screws off and pulls up. Eventually, just like so, set it to the side. You got a clip that holds your door panel on. That's a neat trick. You can use a rag and get that off, or make a special tool, whichever way you want to do. If you're looking for the trick, search my channel. I got a video on that. Then you have a couple bolts, one there, and 4 at the bottom of the panel. And usually you got 2 down inside here. Go ahead and remove all those bolts and the window crank. Don't forget, they are a bolt right here you will need to remove. And they are clips in this door panel, just a few. Don't know if you can see. Back inside there's a clip that usually pops off with a panel. You can get behind it and tug on it and pop it off, and then it pulls straight up. But first thing, I need to remove this clip in this, and then my door panel will be ready to take off. Okay, pretty much once you get that, you can just pull up on your door panel. Just like so. And then pull a little bit at an angle, and off it will come. Then you can set your door panel to the side. And in the upcoming video, I will show you how to restore your door panel. But not today. Today is changing the door lock. And inside, if you can see it, they clip right here you will have to pull out on. Anyway, as you can see, I didn't have to remove my clip right there, because you can actually maneuver that out in one piece and then put it back together and attach it. Much easier than trying to fight with it. These is the new keys, switches I got. You can pick them up for around $15 for the set. So, next, you will have to take... What you will have to do next is remove this clip and this rod and transfer it to your new key switch. Now make sure that you do transfer it to the right key switch, because sometimes you can have like them upside down. You shouldn't have them that way, but I've seen them once in a blue moon that the key is actually inserted upside down. And that drives me nuts. So just something to look out for. So this is how your door lock should look. It's pretty much the gasket goes here. Make sure it's on it, and your clip goes right here with the tabs facing up. I think they actually had this on the opposite way, but the tabs face up, and this fits on here kind of snug. It does go kind of left and right play to it. That's normal, but it should be at least tight to the cylinder just a tad. So now it's time to install it the same way you took it out. To help actually get these guys started, you can take a file and see these little notches on the end here. You can actually knock your notches off and it'll start a whole lot easier. Just a tip. So once you get your door lock installed, you can try it out and see if it works. And this works great. I'm happy with it. Better than what I had. So now it's time to put everything back together the way you took it off. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. To see more of this truck and the build on it, subscribe to my channel. Tons more videos are coming. And drop a like. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.